What's up, everyone? My name is Garrett, and this is Code the Web. And in our final installment of web design trends, at least for this year, we're going to be talking about something really cool and probably one of the bigger trends that's been sweeping the nation, or the world really, in terms of web design. And that is hero images and/or hero areas. So the question is now, that's a new term, what is a hero image or a hero area? Well, to answer your question, a hero image or a hero area is it is big, it is bold, it is usually an image or a graphic, but it doesn't have to be. It can be a video, it can be text, but not just text. Usually there's some sort of graphics there in the front and presented right when the user gets to the website. It's usually the first part of the website that the user will see, and its job is to explain in a very generalized yet specific enough way what the content is on the website and what they're all about. So now that we've got that straight, let's take a look at some examples. We've got this first example for you guys is Master and Dynamic, and they, from their hero image, they create sound tools for creative minds, likely headphones, as we're seeing a picture of here. So next is the email design conference. I imagine that it's a conference about email designs and what emails look like. I don't really know, but it is a really cool hero image. It's an image of the city with this text right on top of it, and yes, you can 100% have text, not a ton of it, but a line or a slogan or something, or just a general concept over your hero image, or a part of it, however you want to do it. And also notice that they have this stuff moving in the background over it. And that is important to note that a hero image doesn't have to be static. It can move, it can shift, it can be a video if you want, which is very dynamic. So it's really all up to you. And remember, you can do whatever you want. Just the purpose is that it's the first thing the user sees on your website, and you really want it to suck them into your website and make them want to know more about who you are and what you do. This next example is landing pages, and they allow you to create your landing page for probably whatever you want. Sorry, they're called Lander app. So they have some cartoon, hand-drawn things and some text, and it's really simple, and it looks cool and interesting. Next, we've got Jet Edge, and here we have a picture of out an airplane window. So it's pretty cool. And actually, let's take a look at what happens if we do this. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. So you can go up to 1,000 feet, 10,000 feet, 40,000 feet, and inside. So that's really cool. These guys are a web design and digital creative agency, and because of that, they've got a picture of a computer with some glasses and a mouse, likely trying to convey the message that they're serious, that they're hardworking, and that they're creative, because they are. That's what they want you to believe. So that's them. Really, I think this one might actually be my favorite. Actually, no. Yeah, that one might have been my favorite. But this other one, Fitstar, they are a personal training app for the iPad, now on your iPhone. And it's really interesting because their way of doing it is kind of a marketing thing, and that plays a lot into what we're kind of trying to go for here. This is a picture of a guy obviously doing a push-up, and he's in the act, he's in the motion, he's doing exactly what it is they want you to do with their app. So there is a little bit of marketing at play here. So my name is Garrett. This was the last video for this year, at least, of web design trends. I hope you guys enjoyed the series. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe, because I'm coming out with not just a video every week now. I decided I'm going to do a video like every 2 weeks. Or no, sorry, that made no sense. I'm going to do a video twice a week. That's what I was going for. I'm going to do a video twice a week because I think just once a week is not enough. And I've been getting a lot of requests for more advanced stuff, like actually teaching you guys things. So starting next week, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be learning some really awesome stuff in the world of web design, and maybe even a little bit of development too. So I'll see you guys next week. Later.